So I have started disassembling the Rotimatic. I have removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 screws. These are those star-shaped screws. I'll post the exact size of these screws later on, and all it is just plastic, so I will start snapping it off from all edges. It requires both hands, so let me do it once and then I will start the video again. I mentioned there are 7 screws for removing the cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one is this one. This one. Once you remove these 7 screws, you can start to remove the back cover. These are the flat slots which I showed in the other clip, where you have to insert a knife or a flat screwdriver. When you press it in, there is a lock which I just showed. The lock is like this. When you press the knife, the lock lifts up and this cover can be removed. And then you can have access to the circuit board for replacing the fuse. Fuse from eBay. I'll put up the link in the description, and I have installed it here. Definitely it is not as good as this one, the original one, because the new fuse which I got, it had short legs, so I had to improvise. So now it is in place. Let me test it with my multimeter, and if everything looks fine, I'll just put it back. I have started putting everything back. This is the power supply circuit board which I have reinstalled, and this is the fuse, this one that I have replaced. And after this circuit board will go here, and then these wires, these These will connect to the power supply coming from the outside, and then this cover will go up. How it is being held in place, as I mentioned, there are some screws and the slots, the flat slots which are on the back, these ones, they are lining up with this one. As you can see, it's a lock here. So when you press it with a flat screwdriver or a flat knife or anything, it presses it up and allows the rear lid to come off. I'll show in another video also. So I've connected it and it has turned on. Once I cook the rotis, that will be the real test, and then we will find out if it has really been fixed. All of these things have been removed for the repairs. The real test will be when we start cooking, because that is the time when it will have the highest amperage draw, and then we will find out if the fuse is holding. Otherwise, it looks like it was a successful repair. Thanks for watching.